Hi guys. Make pasta broccoli with Mitchell and I. Come on. Okay, why am I acting so freaking weird today? Don't ignore this wing. It's been on since 8:45 in the morning. It's dinner time. But yeah, let's go. Alright, we got a skillet here. Okay, we got a skillet here. We're gonna add half a stick of butter. Gosh, come on. Damn it. Guys, check out my totally healthy... Okay, can y'all chill in there? Check out my totally healthy cold water with lemon slices in it. Now we're gonna add some of this. He's on his way home from the store, so we're gonna add some of this though. Oh yeah, if you didn't know, this is minced garlic. I'm not sure how much to add, so I'm gonna wing it. Shout out to the shooting pain I just got in my wrist. While that's going, we're gonna do some cleaning up, starting with dumping this old Starbucks drink. This is the fresh broccoli we got from the farmer's market. And I guess we're gonna rinse it and break it up. In the meantime, this is how the butter and garlic look. Alright, it's time to boil some water for the broccoli. She's on my wish list. Oh, what is that? I figured you'd say that.
Oh, and that's the tri-colored pasta that we started to.
Oh wait, okay. Tri-colored penne. Oh,
Oops.
did this go in there?
The pepper, yeah.
Cool.
And a little bit of salt.
So here's the noodle finished product. Wait, why didn't we mix the broccoli in?
No, good.
Okay. This is a kid's plate. And then we're gonna what? Put some yeah, we can put cheese on top. Alright, this is the finishing touch. Is that yours? Okay, this is mine. Yeah, you can put balsamic on. Do we have balsamic?
Wow.
Woo! Ta-da!